Here I'm going to show you how to register for an iKon Tailgate Tour tournament on the Fishing Chaos software. Once you're on the ikonboats.com/TGT, you can scroll down to the event you're looking for. Here we'll go check out Lake of the Ozarks. Before you can register an event, you have to become a member of the iKon Tailgate Tour. You only need one membership per 2-angler team. Once you become a member, you can fish just one event or as many as you want. You do not need a membership for each event. The annual membership fee is $95. If you don't have a Fishing Chaos account, you'll need to create a new one. And you can do that here. I already have one, so I'm going to log in. I'm just blacking out my login information. Alright, now that I'm logged in, I can scroll around here. And now I can become a member. You can hit no thanks if you don't want to accept any of those Fishing Chaos memberships or packages. Pay the $95. I'm now a member of the iKon Tailgate Tour. I can scroll up there, click on tournaments. That'll list all the tournaments we have coming up. Again, we're going to the Lake of the Ozarks. You're going to click register. There's my information already populated because I'm logged in. Just blocking that out. Agree to the rules. If you do not currently have a team partner, you can delete that and add them later. You're actually buying a ticket for the iKon Tailgate Tour Lake of the Ozarks. Make yourself the captain. A ticket is an entry. One in the cart. The entry fee is $200. $1,350 there goes to Fishing Chaos. You can hit no thanks if you don't want to accept any of those extra packages. Next. Then you check out. I'm blocking out my credit card information there. And here you can go to where it says angler up there in the right corner, or staff. I'm on the staff, but you'll be an angler. You can see there that I'm registered for an Ultimate Angler virtual tournament. And that's how you sign up.